So we're gonna start today's lesson with a Thora, very commonly used in Bhangra. All right, and again, this Thora you can use it to transition from a lot of beats like Chaal, Bhangra, and Tamal, and so forth. So I'll demonstrate it real quick, and then we'll go around the room teaching how to play it. Get that?
Yeah.
So now let's just break it down. Pretty simple. All right. The first part is going to be da na na na. So we'll go around. Richie, why don't you go start off? Aaron, go ahead. Good. Okay. Next part. So. So
Okay.
the whole thing up until we just learned is da na 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 gegena. Go ahead, Richie. Good. Aaron. Good. And then Manvir. We're adding the third piece in. All right. So the whole thing sounds like this. All right. And the bowls are da na na na. Gena na da gena. All right. Again, making sure gena is gena, not da. Make sense?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
All right. Richie, go ahead. Perfect. Aaron. Very good. Manvir. Solid. Very good. All right. So again, this Thora can be used in a lot of transitions. It's also, again, very commonly used in Bhangra. So we'll just start out with the Thora, and Richie just start off the Thora, play Chaal, play the Thora in Chaal, and then end it with Chaal.
Got you.
All right, go ahead.
Okay. I have a habit of playing of.
All good.
So all right. So it goes. Run it back one last time. Cause I have like habits of playing Thora, or a different Thora. You know what I mean?
Yep.
And it's hard for me to play a separate one.
Yep. I'll demonstrate the whole sequence. All right. So again, starting off the Thora, playing the Thora in Chaal, and then ending with the Thora. You mentioned that you have habits of playing other Thore.
Yep.
Let's try to break those habits and make our hands a little bit more diverse, and just continue to practice, more versatile rhythms and Thore. That way, when it comes to situations like this, you're able to adapt a lot quicker.
Yep.
We don't want to limit our playing or hinder our playing just because we keep playing the same constant stuff. So a perfect advice would be you do gigs, go to these gigs. You play with music. Music covers a lot of errors. Use that in your advantage to play and practice these Thore.
Yep. Absolutely.
Right? You're doing it in an outdoor setting, and it'll help out a lot. Cool.
For sure.
All right. Aaron, same thing. This time you're just gonna play Bhangra. So start off the Thora, play Bhangra, play the Thora in Bhangra, and then finish the Thora at the end with the Thora.
Okay, same thing as Richie about Bhangra, right?
Correct. Yeah, and then make sure that we end like on the end off strong, right? So good, very, very good playing. Okay, one thing I would say, and this goes for everyone, is play the the Thora is what sets the la of that rhythm, the tempo of the rhythm, right? So if you start off playing fast, the Thora, right? You play the rhythm fast, and vice versa. If you play it slow, you play it slow. And then again, this Thora isn't meant to break the rhythm. It should almost, complement it. So when you played it in the rhythm got broken, right? There was a little bit of hesitation in there. So again, set a tempo, master that tempo, and then progress from there.
Can you just play and do a little example of playing the Thora going into Bhangra and then ending off as well? Just so I can get an idea of the timing.
Sure. So. Sense?
Yep. Thanks.
Otherwise, very good playing. Alright. Manvir, same thing. Actually, sorry. Start off with the Thora, play Chaal.
Yeah.
Play the Thora, then go into Bhangra, and then end with the Thora. Yeah, solid. All right. Again, I always tend to end on da. So when you finish the rhythm.
Okay, sounds good.
That's gonna conclude the lesson. I believe last week you learned a more simplified version of a Thora, da na dana dagna. Also a Thora that's commonly played in Bhangra, and that's a good Thora, especially for beginners to learn. When transitioning from one beat to another. Again, that's something that can be played in Chaal, Tamal, in even Jummar. So
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Gurpreet.